For the third time in human history, we are witnessing something extraordinary, an object from another star system passing through our own. Its name is 3 Atlas, and the images now streaming in have left astronomers stunned. The age of interstellar visitors is still young. Barely a decade ago, we thought such encounters were almost impossible. But in 2017, everything changed. That year we discovered Oumuamua, a long, thin fragment tumbling in from deep space. It accelerated strangely, as if nudged by an invisible hand, and left just as quickly, its mysteries unresolved. Then in 2019 came Borisov, glowing with a familiar comet's tail but carrying an alien chemistry shaped in a foreign star system. And now comes the third traveler, 3 Atlas. Stranger, wilder, harder to explain than those before it. With the unmatched infrared eyes of the James Webb Space Telescope, scientists locked onto this restless wanderer. They expected to study its speed, its gases, its familiar comet-like behavior. Instead, they found motions that defied the rules. 3 Atlas surged forward with sudden bursts of acceleration, then slowed, twisted, and even shifted course in ways gravity alone cannot explain. Unlike our comets, which vent predictably as their frozen cores warm, Atlas seemed to move with a rhythm, almost like a pulse. Infrared scans revealed faint plumes of exotic gases venting from its surface. But instead of forming a graceful tail, they fractured into jagged bursts. Each emission was followed by a sudden change in speed, as though the object itself beat to a hidden tempo. Webb's spectrum uncovered rare carbon compounds, silicate grains, and strange ices not found in our solar system. These signatures point to a birthplace far from here, perhaps in a spiral arm of the Milky Way, under conditions no local world has ever known. 3 Atlas is more than a comet. It is a messenger from another time, carrying frozen material from a star that may have died before Earth was born. Yet not every acceleration matched a visible plume. At times, it shifted course without releasing anything at all. Some astronomers suggest hidden vents, crystalline fractures, or trapped pressures. Others whisper of unknown forces we do not yet understand. The pattern of motion still feels strangely deliberate. For scientists, Atlas is more than a visitor. It is a moving laboratory. Every plume, every twist in its path is a clue about the hidden processes shaping interstellar bodies. But it may also reveal something deeper. Objects like this could be cosmic couriers, scattering rare molecules between stars, carrying the building blocks of oceans, atmospheres, even life itself. This ties into panspermia, the ancient idea that life seeds drift across galaxies, waiting for the right spark in the right place. Could 3 Atlas be part of that great delivery system? Could Earth's own spark of life once have arrived aboard a wanderer like this? If so, then comets are not just icy relics. They are couriers of destiny. The discovery also forces us to rethink engineering and exploration. We once assumed comets followed simple, predictable paths. Now we see that interstellar objects may be restless, volatile, and unstable. If humanity ever attempts to send a probe to intercept one, it will need technologies we don't yet possess: autonomous guidance, adaptive AI, and the ability to chase a target that shifts course without warning. Atlas reminds us that not all planetary systems are built alike. Some worlds form in violent radiation-rich nurseries. Some lock away exotic minerals. Some preserve ices unstable in our system. By studying a single traveler, we glimpse the vast diversity of worlds scattered across the galaxy. We used to imagine the cosmos as a quiet stage of stars and planets moving in predictable orbits. But the truth revealed by interstellar visitors is far more dynamic. The universe is restless. It is alive with travelers, messengers that carry chemistry, stories, and possibilities across unimaginable distances. 3. Atlas is not just ice and dust. It is a relic torn from its home star and set adrift for millions of years, now brushing against our corner of the galaxy. Every plume it exhales, every twist in its path is like a line in a cosmic story, one of survival, chaos, and connection. As it drifts back into the dark, Atlas leaves us with more than data. It leaves us with wonder, with questions, and with the humbling realization that the smallest fragments of the cosmos may hold the keys to life itself. It is a messenger, a courier, and a reminder. The universe is not silent. It is filled with stories written in dust, ice, and fire, stories waiting for us to read.